So hi everyone. I'm just making this video for those who, are thinking of moving to Africa with their autistic children. I just want to share my experiences. Moving from the UK to Uganda was one of the best decisions I can say I've ever made for my children, and especially for Zachary. I remember when I first told people that I was moving, they thought I was crazy. They started asking questions, why would you leave the UK? And others worried about the support, education, and whether Zachary, would cope with such a big change. And honestly, I had those fears too. I just had to put on a brave face, but I had those fears too. But what I've learned is that autism support isn't just about therapy rooms, and appointments. It's also about the quality of life your child receives. And I've noticed that since moving to Uganda, Zachary spends so much time outdoors, whereas in the UK he was always inside the house. We rarely left to go to the park, and even in the park he would never want to play. So he's always outdoors. He's taking on swimming because he really loves water. He'll explore with different things. He loves visiting farms. He'll point out, this is a cow, this is this is that, and then also interacting with people. He's getting there. He's learning to do that. So I'm really happy about that. And also just experiencing life in a completely different way. And also I've watched him, become more adventurous. Yeah, like he's really adventurous. And I've also watched him build his confidence up. I've watched him enjoy things, that used to feel overwhelming to him. So I'm really, really happy. And another thing, I really love is the sense of community. In as much as so many people don't know about autism, but also there's a sense of community, with our neighbors, when you're out there walking on the road, you understand? And, people will stop and talk to you. There's children playing together. You go out of your gate, you see children playing out there. It's amazing to see, and life feels less rushed. Like as a parent, I feel like I have more space to focus, on Zachary, rather than constantly rushing from one thing to another. And I'm not saying that Uganda is perfect, because it's not. There's always some negativity as well, and every family as well is different. So, but for us, this move, it's been such a blessing. It's been such a blessing. Sometimes we spend so much time thinking about what our children, might lose, and then we tend to forget to think about what they might gain, and that's for Zachary. He's gained confidence, experiences, freedom, and opportunities, that I will always be grateful for. And also the environment. Oh my God, the environment, the weather, all that have really played a very big role in helping Zachary as well. And the food is organic. Do you know, the food is organic? It's amazing. So I'm really, really happy about that. So if you're thinking about it, first do your research, pray about it, and just weigh up your options, and make sure you make the best decision that, is right for your family. But don't let fear be the thing that stops you from, enjoying or letting your child explore different things, because for us, moving to Uganda has just been the best decision ever. And I just want to show you like my environment, like my surrounding, my background, where I'm at right now. It's beautiful. I'm standing here at my balcony, but I can see the lake. It's quiet, it's just warm, it's so beautiful. So do you see that? there's a bananas, green bananas. You can see the lake over there. You know, the neighborhood as well. Like literally, it's so amazing. It's so peaceful, and I'm so glad that my child gets to experience this. In as much as I'm also enjoying this, and the weather is amazing. Oh my God. It is so amazing. But yeah, so don't let fear stop you from, you know, exploring or experiencing something beautiful, something beyond. You know, you'll be surprised with your child. You might be limiting them to something when they can achieve more than, you know, what you're limiting them to. So just, yeah, go out there, make your research fast, and then just go.